I probably will just mess around with sounds and melodies, and we'll see if something good will turn out somehow or not. There is some conception in my mind, and I'm trying to find a certain kind of sound. Trying to use the phaser on this shitty snare. It makes it even worse. But makes it interesting actually. Morphing bass lines. Alfred, you are dreaming with me. Wow, that's kind. I know this one sounds like shit, but I'm going to fix it. I'm going to polish it in the end. It's something. It's definitely something. I got shivers, which is the best possible sign of something good, I guess. I'm going to send out to my A&R manager at Anjuna Beats, and he's gonna say something to me, something like, wow, it's amazing, that's a really good job, and or it sounds like shit, it's pretty rough. You have to go through so many shitty ideas, and we are getting there actually. I'm not sure if it's good anymore. Any request of food from Italy? Pizza, obviously. Yeah, guys, exactly. Lots of happy accidents. Actually, I could use this nice hi-hat. This fucking distorted. This part is just weird. I don't need this. Why? It just makes the whole thing so massive. Oh, guys. Less is almost always more. Transformers having sex. This it's too off to me. It's so cheesy. I can't handle this cheesiness. I actually always hungry. That's why I'm so fat. It's all about patience. Actually, Janix calls me sometimes the Burger King. Dallas, I love Dallas. I would like to go back so bad. Oh, there's so many weird sounds. What? You think the bassline is similar to something? Seriously? I've worked on this fucking bassline for like ages. And I put like every kind of single weird shit sound in it and similar to something. Oh my god. I would be really surprised if someone else would have created the same kind of thing already. It's so weird. The Simpsons did it already. Sometimes I feel like I'm a brain surgeon or something. I mean, it's not. Don't get me wrong. It's not so important, but just all the small details are important. I'm not saving lives. I love this. The track is almost finished. 4 layers, 2 silent and 2 spire chords. Massive serum spire, a huge reverb on it. I forgot what did I do actually. Did this. It's gonna be fun to me too actually to watch it back maybe years later or something. Trance, that's Blackwater. You're not helping me, guys. Come on. Wow, yeah. Do you have any suggestions for the track title? Exactly, man. This is my baby. Punching the baby. No, it's not a good. Please, take it seriously, please. Garden of Eden. That's something. Unity or something. Maybe it's a bit cheesy. Sandstorm. Oh man, please. It's already existing. Yeah, together would be like the best. Punch the baby together. Oh man, no, please. Punch the baby together in the Garden of Eden. Oh, please no. Okay, I can't handle these guys. I can't. It's too much. Please. Thanks for the great track title suggestions, really. Seems so it's in D. And then I'm not so glad for that, because that key is actually a bitch. I actually kind of invented an own way to EQ every single channel. It's my biggest secret so far. There's a certain mathematical theory behind the whole thing. I know it sounds like some Illuminati shit, but it's, for me, I feel it's working. I'm speaking a lot. Oh, guys, I'm struggling. So it's gonna be the fundamental frequency of the kick. I'm streaming for 1.5 hours already. And I have a really huge success on my kick drum. It's something, guys, it's something. I have a wicked kick. It sounds big, actually. I think this key is was a really bad decision. But this is the challenge. You know what? It's not even bad. It's good. It's all about tweaking all the small details. Half decibels. Mixing and mastering is, for me, it's more like the science part. I'm doing this for 2 hours, guys. Time flies. The breakdown isn't a big deal. Jesus Christ! That's actually exactly what you hear when you are waiting in the queue in front of a venue before a trance show. I think I'm gonna change that. Drop me your best song title IDs. Alliance and Synergy. Allergy. Best. And I forgot what I did with the low end. Feel free to support each other in the chat. It's the chat of love, the trans love. Guys, this is fucking amazing. The drop is really effective. I listened to this fucking track for weeks now. I don't really want to suck my own dick, but I'm so glad it's something. I'm gonna make a mix down. Punchy. He's one of the best guys on Anjunabeats, honestly. I love him so much. Actually, everyone else is amazing. Wonderful family. Yeah. I'm trying to keep my secrets. But I'm quite bad at it. I mean, I told many things to you guys, actually. But I will keep the Illuminati mixing technique for myself, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm using my personal Facebook account. But sometimes I'm an asshole and don't even read some messages. Yeah, indeed. The Anjuna family is the best family in the electronic dance music. This is the Sunnylex show. Oh yes, perfect sausage. The kick drum is beautiful. Even the breakdown is really loud. This freaking program. Jesus Christ, guys. This track becomes one of my cleanest. This show is better than Game of Thrones. No way, man. Nothing's better than Game of Thrones. But no one's dying in this show. And there are no dragons. You know what? I never been to Argentina. And I also like beer. It's a bit overcompressed. I feel now it's probably one of my best mixdowns. Probably too wet, too lushy, but we can say it's finished. Yay! We can open the champagne or something, the beer, because it's finished. It's finished. Yay! Wow, guys, that's cool. I'm really satisfied. Have an amazing weekend.